Hey, what's up everybody? As you can see, I have some of the limited season 6 Shopkins, which is the Chef Club. And we have the nice and icy fridge, as well as 2 of the Shopkin jars. And I'm going to go ahead and open up this here. Here's the front of the box. And the back shows some different Shopkins, Peely Orange, and there's Pippi Lemon. Okay, so I'm going to pause this, and then we will be right back with the open toy. Okay, we are back, and we have the little refrigerator area all opened up. We got 2 exclusive Shopkins with this. We got Pinky Frosting, which is really cool. It's like a little clear base down here. You can see through it. It's got cute little pink lips. Bottom is the scanner. On the back, it's got some strawberries on the bowl. So that's really cool. The refrigerator door opens and you can store your items in there. This is the other one. We got Chalk Frost. Also a see-through one. This one has his eyes closed, so you can see through it. There you go. His eyes are closed. He's got a really cute face. This one doesn't have any little designs on the back, but you can see it's got like, looks like almost kind of like nuts in there. And that fits in there. Another cool thing is that the drawers come out for additional storage, as well as this little side area here. And it also comes with something amazing. It comes with an ice cube tray, and I think my favorite part of that is that every single ice cube has a different face. Some more. Whoa, camera does not like, there we go. I think this is my favorite face. If it focuses, there we go. So happy. Just trying to focus on the stuff in the back. And the last little ice cube. And when you take the plastic out, they fit in the tray, which is really cool. They'll fit either way, upside down or right side up. I think, maybe. Well, if you do it that way, they kind of peek out. But they actually fit in the tray. And that is so neat to play with. And there we go. They are all in there. The tray fits right in there, all nice and neat. We also got a Chef Club recipe. Now this one is empty. All that's in there is the, oh my lord, recipe card, which mystery dish. Wonder what dish it is. Mystery dish. Pinky Frosting Chalk Frost. Sparkle Clean Washer? Don't know what that is. To reveal the online mystery dish, collect and scan all 6 Shopkins from the Chef Play Club set. That's pretty cool. So you need Chocolate Cake Jake, Valentina Vanilla Cake, Sarah's Sweethearts, and Strawberry Jam. So it's awesome. We got a nice little mystery on our hands. Set that right up there. Speaking of mysteries, we have some jars. So, oh my goodness. Keep it open. Hey. All right. It's cool. It actually twists off. And we got a checklist. Shows all the different recipes that you can make. Front and back. I will hand this over to Jay so he can locate what we get. For our recipe book, we got Cupcake Princess. You open it up and it tells you everything that you need to make her. So I will set the recipe book up there at the top. And these have tear tabs. Yay. Our very first one.
Looks like whipped cream.
Maybe.
Let me see Wilbur whipped cream.
Alrighty, so we got Wilbur. Wilbur, are you gonna fit? No. Wilbur fits right there. And our next one, we got some bananas.
That's a bunch of bananas.
Yay! Bananas don't have to be refrigerated, so we're going to stick banana right over there. And in our next jar, don't like to come out very easily. Show you what one of the jars looks like. When it's empty, you can see the Shopkins S there and some cool tile looking stuff. So those are the jars. Whoa. Recipe book went flying. And our recipe book is for banana split. That's what you need to make her. And we got Alright, it looks like some kind of sauce or syrup or something. Caramel topping. You can see there's the code. It's got some sauce dripping out. She's a cool fuchsia looking color. And she doesn't need to be refrigerated unless opened. So she's going there. And our last one. Huh. It looks like
Miss Sprinkles.
Miss Sprinkles. I was going to say rainbow sprinkles because it looks like there's a rainbow right there. And you can see all the really cute little sprinkles on the top of her head.
So I was looking at the checklist, and the 2 jars we opened, all 4 of them go to banana split.
That's awesome.
So we got the sprinkles, a bunch of bananas, Wilbur whip, and the caramel topping. Super.
Sweet.
We almost got the whole thing from making her.
That's awesome. So we are going to put the sprinkles over here. Alright, so that is all that we are going to do for this video. Be sure to like if you enjoyed the content that we have. Goodness, can't talk. Share and subscribe. Keep checking back to see what we'll do next. Bye.